Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have seen a little break in the mid-level clouds from this morning, allowing a little bit more sunshine to come through. Still, uh, it's become about a scattered deck at 9,000 and still dealing with the broken deck of clouds at 25,000. We will see clouds start to increase. Again, that a lot is riding on the movement of that front and the associated clouds, but we will be seeing those clouds move in for a period of time throughout the day today. We did see temperatures creep up to 56 to 57. Uh, right now about 56 on out there, and winds have creeped up, seeing some gusts up to 19 to 20 knots. So will be slightly breezy out there today. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do see that front from this morning has moved a bit closer to us. Still not fully pushed through the area. It will be slow to move through the area again, keeping things cloudy once it kind of arrives, and but things will cool down behind that as high pressure builds in. If we take a look at the upper air winds from this morning's balloon sounding, pretty much through the column out of the west, all the way up to 25,000 feet. Winds at around 43 knots at 1,000 feet, and then for the most part increasing as you go up with a peak wind of 88 knots at 25,000 feet. And the freezing level is at 7,700 feet. So looking at the current satellite imagery, we do see that cloud shield associated with that cold front that's slowly coming through our area. Uh, it will begin to move in and give us some um, probably overcast conditions for much of the afternoon and probably into the beginning of the evening. Again, depending on how fast that front moves through the area will determine uh, how the clouds will clear out this evening. If we take a look at the short-term model, we see those clouds sticking around through much of the day today, and then as we get into the evening, we do see a little bit of a clearing um, before we see a few clouds just kind of lingering around the area for our Friday, but should see a partly cloudy skies from to mostly sunny for much of the day tomorrow. On the cooler side, as that high pressure builds in behind this cool front, we will see temperatures slightly below uh, normal before we see a warm up as we get into the weekend. We see those clouds start to build in Friday night and into Saturday. Saturday expecting uh, probably a mostly cloudy day for Saturday. If we take a look at the GFS and the longer term forecast, we see that high pressure that built in Friday starts to move east, allowing for a few disturbances, slight chance of seeing a few sprinkles here and there, but for the most part should stay dry and cloudy as we have these systems riding along the jet stream off to our west, and that will help to tighten the pressure gradient a bit, and we could see some fairly breezy conditions kind of consistently starting late Saturday and moving through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Again, those systems will ride along that jet stream, but for the most part, we'll just see just clouds as we move into Sunday and Monday and some breezy conditions. As we get into Monday evening and that jet starts to sink more into our region, we do have this disturbance that will bring us a chance for some rain as we get into the day on Tuesday. And that front will push through on Tuesday, and behind that we'll be back to seasonable conditions, and after a few days of some pretty warm, might even see some 70s, we will see things cool down back to a seasonable average. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, green across the board today. We are seeing some breezy conditions, but expecting those winds to stay below the 25 knot threshold for the wind advisory. Otherwise, we'll see those clouds build in. Um, and again, the high at the moment is about 56 or 57, and then we'll see things cool down as that front moves through the area. As we get into the overnight hours, we'll see the clouds start to break up, and things will cool down pretty quickly, expecting a low of 28 uh, as we start the day tomorrow. Looking at the next 7 days, tomorrow again a much cooler day, high of in the lower 40s, and as we get into Friday evening, we'll have about a pretty average low, expecting around in the lower 30s. And then things will start to warm up as we get into the weekend. Again, also we'll see increased clouds and a pickup in the winds for the next couple days, but things will be pretty spring-like as we go through Sunday and Monday, expecting highs at the very least in the upper 60s, but could see some 70-degree marks hit for Sunday and Monday, with low temperatures uh, around 50, low to mid 50s. Again, as we get into Monday, we'll see even more clouds, and then as that system approaches for Tuesday, we do have that chance of rain showers with that system passing through the area. Again, another mild day with a high of 64, and then things will cool down as high pressure builds in, but behind that front with a low of 37 for our Tuesday evening, and then back to seasonably uh, cool conditions with a high of 51 for Wednesday. That wraps up your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.